we were stitched to the hip, she and I were very, very close. She shared with me her dreams, her things, and all the rest of it that I can't ever repeat. People said, you could write a book about her. I said, I could, but I won't. Because what she shared with me is, some of it was wonderful, some of it was concerns, some of it she had real concerns about what I'm talking about, and what's, you know, she and I. But anyway, if you're going to talk to me about what is it that endeared her, what was it about her? And I'm telling you, what I said here earlier, she was a woman who touched everybody's life to let them feel good about themselves, including gang members. I've seen it happen. She had this magic of not being judgmental, but of looking at where they're at and trying to sort of move from where they're at to where they might be. And she didn't do it by a lot of talking like I'm doing. She did it by being around. She'd go around. She went and acknowledged all Maori. When they invited her, she went. From rugby league to Maori Women's Welfare League to kohanga reo to whatever, to iwi whānau hapu. She was an absolute belief in the potential of families to play a greater role in terms of the whole country. So that kind, and if you want to talk about leadership, that's leadership for me. That is what I called stewardship. Touching people's lives, making them feel good about themselves. Gang members, I don't know whether you remember when she was being taken up to her final resting place, some of the gang members broke in and wanted to carry her, and there was huge criticism about that. And one of them answered and said, and stuck to it, helped to have a turn in touching her as you went, said she treated us in a way that made us feel there's got to be a better tomorrow.